Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about the numbers in C# and the functions that are related to the numbers. As you know, there are lots of functions that we use, some of them in our daily life like summation, minus, to power, and division and something like this, and some other a bit more advanced functions like mean, round, something like this. In previous video, I just introduced you some basic data types and the variables like a string, integer, or something like this. If you haven't watched that video, I highly recommend you to watch that video, and I will put a link in top right of your screen. And just a brief review of a previous video. We have some integer numbers, some double or decimal numbers that we can use double, float, and decimal. These are the functions that are related to decimal numbers, and the most useful ones are integer and double. Okay, I just want to use in this video the integer number. For example, let's say we have a number int name of number. Then we can whatever it is 10, and we use semicolon. The very first useful functions are we can use the name of our integer or double or our number with plus plus or minus minus. These are so useful functions which we can use them to just sum our number with 1 or minus 1. And if I want to just print my number now, okay, it will be the same because it will be 11 here, and then it will be minus 1 and it will be 10 again. Okay, if I just take the comment here and console.writeLine, and if you don't know why I just write console.readline, I highly recommend you to watch this video, that why we use console.readline, and I will put a link in your top right of your screen. As you can see now, our number is 11. It was so short and handy function. Let's just copy this. Okay. The first one is okay. Let's just forget about the number. Then the first function is minus plus and whatever it is, 4 plus 3. These are so handy and just so basic. It's so easy. I'm just kind of I'm just gonna ignore this plus and minus or division or multiply by with each other. If you want to use a function that is a mathematical function which is not, division, summation, something like this, we want to just use some more bit complex and advanced, not that much advanced, but it is a bit intermediate functions. We use the word math. As you can see now, it is in green. So math what? We put a dot, then we write, PW means power, and we use two words. For power, we should use our number, which is 10 now, and to the power of 2. Okay, 10 to the power 2 will be 100. The next function is the maximum number. Okay, in some cases we need to know the maximum and minimum number that in our program or in our problem that maybe we we have lots of inputs and lots of numbers, and in some cases we want to know the maximum or minimum number or both of them. How we can use it? We write again math dot mean between, I know the number, our number is 10 and 5. Okay, and the maximum is the same, just the only thing that we should write is that write line math dot max number and 5. Okay, now it is 10. The last function that I'm gonna introduce you is round. Mostly when in our grades, when sometimes you get, I know, an 18.5, and then the professor wants to round it to the most, I know, to the most close number, which is, I know, it can be greater or lower. Then we write round number, and our number should be, I know, a decimal number. And this is, there it is. Now our number is 13, which is close, the most close number. This video was so, I mean, it wasn't advanced, and even it wasn't the intermediate tutorial. It was just so beginnery functions that is related to mathematical calculations. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. So you won't miss our future videos that I'm gonna upload in C#, AR, Unity, I mean augmented reality, virtual reality, and everything which is related to those things. And I think there will be so, I mean, interesting for you. Just follow us